Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the essentials, which UI toolkit and a storage format. Once chosen, define a concise settings model with types and defaults so validation is easy. Next, implement a storage adapter that reads and writes JSON or INI at a single canonical path. Make sure to include versioning metadata. Finally, scaffold a settings controller that exposes get/set APIs, emits change events, and will feed the GUI. This starts the actual interactive work. You now craft the interface. Place clear controls for each setting and group them logically so users scan quickly. Then wire bidirectional bindings so changes update the model and model changes update the UI. Once done, debounce write operations to avoid excessive disk I/O. Make validation immediate and friendly, showing inline messages. When a change requires restart, surface that state. Also implement preview where possible so users see effects instantly, reducing trial and error. You finish by making persistence robust. Use atomic writes and create backups before migration. Then cover it with tests for loading, saving, and version migrations so future changes don't break users. Add export/import and a clear restore defaults action so users recover from bad configs. Finally, document expected behavior and edge cases in a short README. Troubleshooting tip. If settings fail to load, check backups. Load the last working file and enable verbose logging to trace parsing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.